Hi mga tita ko, good morning. Yes, good morning. Because it's already 1:25 a.m. here and guess what? I still have work tomorrow. It's Saturday. I only have one day off lang po, which is Friday. And then di ko alam bakit ako nagpuyat today. Crazy talaga. And tomorrow I have a lot, like, literally a lot of works to finish po sa office. Ayoko na maging corporate girly. Akala ko, mag-slay-slay lang ako. Like, mag-outfit, ganun. Hindi pala ganun. Tapos, basta, ayoko na. Ayoko na ng paperworks. Abroad pa mo yan. Sige, gabaan. Dala. Na. Bugo. Anyways, matulog na tayo. I still have 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours of sleep. Sleep. Okay lang yan. Guys, help me to get out of this corporate world. OFW ladies, I know. OFW ladies, I know. A lot of you can relate. Pwede ba yun? Hindi ka na mag-work. Pero may pera ka. This is so impossible. Bye-bye. Good night.